Hello. Iran. The Islamic Republic of Iran lies in Western Asia. Iran is bordered in the northwest by Armenia, the Republic of Azerbaijan, and the Azerbaijani exclave of Nakhchivan. To the north, it is bordered by the Caspian Sea. To the northeast, it is bordered by Turkmenistan. To the east, it is bordered by Afghanistan and Pakistan, and to the south by the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. To the west, it is bordered by Turkey and Iraq. It has about 80 million inhabitants. The north is more densely populated. The capital city is Tehran. The population of Tehran is about 8.8 million, and 15 million including the outer area of the city. Iran is divided into 5 regions with 31 provinces. Each province is governed by an appointed governor. The provinces are divided into counties and subdivided into districts and subdistricts. Law. The supreme leader appoints the head of the judiciary, who appoints the other judges. There is Sharia law in Iran. There are several law courts: the revolutionary courts for crimes against national security, smuggling, blaspheming, and inciting violence. Public courts for civil and criminal cases. Capital punishment exists in Iran. Geography. With the exception of the coasts on the Caspian Sea and Khuzestan, Iran consists of the Iranian plateau. Mount Damavand is located in Amol, Mazandaran. It is one of the world's most mountainous countries with rugged mountains ranges. The mountain ranges, the Caucasus, the Zagros and the Alborz, separate basins and plateaus. Mount Damavand at 5,610 meters, situated in the Alborz, is the highest mountain west of the Hindu Kush. The Hindu Kush is an 800-kilometer long mountain range that stretches near the Afghan-Pakistan border from central Afghanistan to northern Pakistan. The northern part of Iran is covered by lush lowland Caspian, Hyrcanian mixed forest, situated near the southern shores of the Caspian Sea. The eastern part consists for the most part of desert basins, like the Kavir Desert is Iran's largest desert. Another is the Lut Desert. There are also some salt lakes in the east. The Urmia Lake, the water has turned in Urmia Lake, the water has turned red with weeks of dry conditions. The only large plains are found along the coast of the Caspian Sea and at the northern end of the Persian Gulf, where the country borders the mouth of the Arvand River. There are also other smaller plains on the coast of the Persian Gulf, the Strait of Hormuz and the Gulf of Oman. Hormuz Island. Hormuz Island is covered by sedimentary rock and volcanic material on the surface. Due to the lack of rainfall, the soil and water are salty. Only white mangrove or hara trees can grow in this climate. About 2,500 people live on the island, mainly in the north. There is a water pipeline from the mainland which supplies fresh water to the island. There are many virgin beaches on the shores. Kashem Island. It is one of the most famous tourist destinations. Because of its inaccessibility and high temperatures, not many tourists visit the island. The canyons were carved by erosion. The island has about 59 towns and villages. Climate. The climate ranges from arid and semi-arid to subtropical along the Caspian Sea and northern forests. On the Caspian coastal plain, the temperatures are usually above zero and it remains humid for the rest of the year. In summer, temperatures do not often exceed 29 degrees centigrade. In the Zagros Basin, there are lower temperatures with severe winters below zero and heavy rainfalls. The eastern and central basins are arid. Temperatures rarely exceed 38 degrees centigrade. The coastal plains of the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman in southern Iran experience mild winters and very humid and hot summers. Fauna. Iran is not big on conservation. In fact, there are many endangered species. The Asiatic cheetah is a critically endangered species living only in Iran. Its numbers were greatly reduced after the 1979 revolution. The wildlife of Iran is composed of bears, the Eurasian lynx, foxes, gazelles, grey wolves, jackals, panthers, and wild pigs. Domestic animals of Iran include Asian water buffaloes, camels, cattle, donkeys, goats, horses, and sheep. Eagles, falcons, partridges, pheasants, and storks are also native to the wildlife of Iran. The Persian leopard, which lives primarily in northern Iran, is also a endangered species. Iran lost all its Asiatic lions, and now extinct Caspian tigers are by the early part of the 20th century. Cuisine. The dress code for women in Iran. Women are required by law to cover their hair and wear the hijab. Most women prefer to wear manto, which can be long, short, tight, or loose. Some cities are more conservative, like Kerman, Yazd, Kermanshah, and Kashan. The chador must be worn in mosques and shrines. Women are not permitted to sing in public in front of men, the Kurds. Iranian Kurds live mainly in the northwestern part of Iran in Kurdistan. Most Kurds are Sunni Muslims. There is violent suppression of the Kurds who are fighting for a separate state. Many Kurdish activists have been imprisoned and executed without fair trial. Bye-bye and Merry Christmas.